So to add the structural column, first at the high roof, you want to go to your high roof level and select the column. So CL is the shortcut. Instead of a square column, you want a HSS or hollow structural section at 101.6. It's already preloaded. At times or in the exam, it will not be preloaded. So you need to go to Load Family, Libraries, US Metric. Don't choose the columns here. These are architectural columns. You want to select the structural columns. Structural columns, there are different materials. In this case, we're using steel for this type of material. And then you need to look for the MHSS. So here it is. Now, when you open this, it actually will give you a list of different sizes. So you can select the 1066, which should be, they're numerically arranged. So 1, 0. There it is at 6.4. You can also select and load several items by holding down the control key and then clicking on the items you want loaded. You don't need to do that since we have this preloaded, so I'll just cancel out. All you need to do here is select at grid, and I don't want to place any columns here at the load bearing wall, so I'm just going to select this intersections. So notice the grids or the columns added. Maybe hold down the control key and select this intersections. So there's the steel structural column placed. And well, actually, let me cancel first. I think I forgot something. Depth, it should go down to the first floor. That's what I forgot. So you can also say height. If you say height, then you start at the first floor, or you should be at the first floor. But since we're using depth, it's always nice to be accustomed to applying the height using depth. So go down to the first floor at grid. Let's do that again. Hold down the control key. Okay. I'm not going to place any columns here, so finish. Go to your 3D view. Okay. Looks okay. I do have an extra right there. I'll just delete that later. So now I'm going to go to the mid roof or low roof. At this level, I'm going to add my columns. So CL, depth up to first floor from the mid roof level. At grid, just be careful. Make sure you're not using slanted column. You may do that if you want some slanted columns. Make sure you're using vertical columns. Okay. At grid, select the grids right here, and I think that's it. And then say finish. It will give you a warning I'm not able to see those columns, so that's okay. I can check it in a 3D view, and I can see that it's properly placed. Hit escape twice. Sometimes it's good to go to a wireframe view so that you know that you only inserted the columns where it is needed. Because if you're not in a wireframe view, at times it might be inside a wall. Okay? So select that, excess, column, and delete. Go to a section view. So you know it's exactly at the right height. See, a 3D view will not really show you how high it is at. So high roof, mid roof.